Hello everyone, I am Adil from WordPress plugin tutorials. Today I am going to review another very important WordPress plugin. This is all about optimizing your site, optimizing the images you have uploaded in your articles and blog posts. Okay, you can easily reduce the size of the images you have used in your articles. This will not only optimize your website, it will also improve the overall performance of your website. So let us move towards the video. Before we move towards the video, I request you to please subscribe my channel. So here I start my tutorial. This is the admin panel of my website. Okay, what we need to do, we need to go into plugins and then click on add new. Now in search box we need to write WP Smush. Now we can see that the first plugin, Smush Compress Image Optimizer, Lazy Load Web Images. Now we need to click install and activate it. I have already installed and activated it. So let us move towards the next point. After installing and activating it, we will have an option here named Smush. Click on it. Now you can say this is the layout of this plugin. So first time when you will install it will look like this. You can also set up some features like this. Okay, you can also skip it. Now we see there are many options. It is by default telling us that this website has 21 attachments that need smushing. Okay, let us discuss something very important about this plugin. When it comes to talk about image size, there is option. You can also select all the images or custom images. Okay, which sort of images you want to be smushed. Okay, thumbnail, medium, large, anything. So better be it all. Then automatic compression, you can turn it off or on. So this is better idea. Next time whenever you upload an image on your website, it will automatically detect and smush it. Then metadata is about whenever we take a photo from a camera, it stores its location, its file, focal length, etc. These sort of details. So it will compress it if you will turn it on. But remember, it will not skip the SEO metadata. Image resizing, if you want to resize the images, you can turn it on, and you can also input some custom values. If your image will increase in size up to the given detail which you will give here, then it will automatically resize the images. That will limit a maximum size of photo. So there are other options which are the part of Pro version. So we are not going to use it. So then you can save, update settings. So there is a second option on the left side, directory smush. We are going to skip it. You can also choose a directory to be smushed. Then comes the integration. This plugin supports Gutenberg. You can also turn it on. Then it comes to deal with, these are the other options which are the part of Pro version. Then comes the lazy load. This feature actually stops off-screen images from loading. For example, if a user comes on your website and there is an image at the end of your blog post, so if it is not being shown on the screen, it will not load it until the user scrolls your article to reach the image. When the user will see the image, then it will load. It will actually save the time, loading time. It will make your website a bit more faster. So you can activate it. Then comes the media tab. You can select which sort of media you want to be in the category of lazy load. So these are the things which you can adjust according to your requirement. Then come the other option, CDN. You see multiply, it speeds up and savings. Upload huge images and the Smush CDN will perfectly resize the files. But this will be the part of Pro version, which you see there is clearly indicated that this is the Pro version. Okay. So there are other tools as well. Image resize detection. Okay. Don't detect and show incorrectly resized image. It will automatically detect the images which are greater in size, larger in size than the custom value you choose. Then comes the setting. These are some color combination, color accessibility. It actually, by enabling it will increase the visibility and accessibility of elements and components. So there are other options as well. Okay, if you want to use them, you can use them. Okay, then update settings. So let us come back towards the bulk smush. This is the dashboard. Now you will see there are 21 attachments need to be smushed. So click here bulk smush. Now it will automatically start detecting the images and then smush it. Remember, in free version you can only smush 50 images one time, but in Pro version you can smush unlimited number of images. So it is smushing. Now the smushing process has been completed. All the attachments have been smushed. Awesome. Next time whenever you will upload a new image, it will automatically detect and smush it. Hope you like the video. For more such video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.